Go on. Since you can't see around there, go on. Alright people, we are cut left for me now. Yeah. Jump on if you just take a little time and go down the hill, you know? So it's set up. Life of a trucker. Alright, so basically in our vicinity of Buff Bay right now. Yeah, you see me? Yeah, Buff Bay, Portland.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
Yeah. Homie, for the ya jam on board, yeah. 876 by birth, a time fi touch the road. Me just fully tank and me ready fi touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I could have not or so. Thankful to the brim and me ready fi touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I could have not or so. Me feel a little river vibe somewhere nice and calm. Or maybe me make a trad inna the hills and go chill pon a farm. Eat some fresh fruits, sip a little roots, play with the animals inna the barn. River vibes, nice and calm. Me just fully tank and me ready fi touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I could have north or south. Thankful to the brim and me ready fi touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I could have north or south. Me fi visit one of them mineral spring. Dip me head, sat me back and soak up the healing. Run a small boat with breadfruit and salting. Sweet lemonade, wash down everything. Me just fully tank and me ready fi touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I could have north or south. Thankful to the brim and me ready fi touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I could have north or south. Oh, me fi dey a jam down and board, yeah. 876 by birth, a time fi touch the road. Me just fully tank and me ready fi touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I could have north or south. Thankful to the brim and me ready fi touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I could have north or south. Me I feel a little river vibe somewhere nice and calm. And maybe me make a trad inna the hills and go chill pon a farm. Eat some fresh fruits, sip a little roots, play with the animals inna the barn. River vibes, nice and calm. Yeah. Me just fully tank and me ready fi touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I could have north or south. Thankful to the brim and me ready fi touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I could have north or south. Me feel fi visit one of them mineral spring. Dip me head, sat me back and soak up the healing. Run a small boat with breadfruit and salting. Sweet lemonade, wash down everything.
What's up, beautiful people? It's here, it's truly 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. Right about now, people there up in the hills of Portland, you see me? Yeah, one little place called Mount Pleasant. Yeah, so just a make away from right here, so we are going Parish of St. Catherine. Yeah, ignore that little beeping something there. My seatbelt I need to put on. I so put it on though. So yeah, my people, we are going to Spanish Town to be exact. So from Portland to Spanish Town, and this is the journey. And that's gonna be the journey for today. You see me? So I just want to say yo, welcome to. Hold on, I'm put on my seatbelt. Cause that beeping here. I gotta wait till we reach on up on the main down so, but yeah, we'll get rid of the beeping. So yeah, my people. Just to say yo, welcome to all of the new viewers, all of the new subscribers. Manners and respect, you don't know, big up on yourself, you understand? Yeah man, as I said earlier, name is 876 by birth. And all I do is drive around the place and chat off my mouth, you see it? Yeah. So, if you don't want to hear me a chat, you can cut from now. You understand? But for all of the people in there for the vibes and everything, you don't know, big up on yourself. All of the long time viewers, them long time subscribers, them when you know say yo, if my call name would not go done until all the reach a Spanish Town, still a call name. So just I say all the long time people and big up on yourself. Whichever continent on the earth you know they watch, bless up on yourself, you see me? When you don't know the thing going on. Yeah, my manners and respect, you see me I say? Alright, no, mommy, we can't carry it to them, mommy. We have the car full up of things and yeah. People know the vibes, they want to know their country. Yeah, people just want a little ride for go down, but honestly, the car full of things, you see me? I have the baby round the back, Kimmy round the back, the car seat round the back. A country I come from, so we have some little thing. The trunk loaded with stuff. The seat side of me have and stuff. My laptop there on the ground of the car, this so where you put your foot like it. Yeah, here's it. So yeah, we can't but you know the vibes over in their country. People always want to ride and them little thing there. Yeah, that's still a go on here. You see me? Yeah man, that's still a go on my people. So yeah. So as me I say now, massive, me just say yo, do remember to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. All of them something them just tell about for free. Them say nothing in life not free, but guess what? I find something. And at this I just tell about all of that. You just a click off a button, you see me? Yeah, hassle free. So whether you watch on your TV, anyway, just use the remote, go up there, click on the like button. Just do the maths there. Please and thanks and share it. Put it on a WhatsApp status everywhere. Just share it which part you want to communicate with people. Drop it down in a little family group. You see me? Yeah man, enough time Auntie Jane share some foolishness in our group. I wanna say, then what kind of madness this share post in our group? Yeah, I found the time to post some madness now. Post something in our group, make them chat that too. You see it? Yeah man, so just share it man. You see what I say? Yeah man, so if you love the content, I'm pretty sure somebody else out there might like it too. So just share it with them for me now, please. That's all I ask you now. You see me? Just share it. You see me? Yeah man, and feel free for comment, you see it? Yeah, feel free for comment. You don't know the thing go. Who always love when you engage with me and talk and who know say yo me always a respond in the comment section and everything. So yeah man, just do a little maths me there, alright? Yeah man, so there are people. Early morning you know. Yeah, early morning you know. The sun just come over the horizon over there so. Yeah. Hopefully when we catch some down there so we can see peace sight and them little thing there so. You see me? Yeah man. And then when we reach out up on the main too, you don't know me go wine on the window so you can hear all of the good sounds them, you know, the little natural sound them wanna like to hear from the road and yeah, we're up on the coastline too. So you see me? Yeah, we're up on the coastline so you know I'm gonna see piece of the ocean or the sea, whichever you wanna call it. Some people say oh Jamaica we not no ocean and some people say we not no sea. But we don't know what I talk. So yeah, don't know about the foolishness. You get what I say? Yeah. Oh, there are people that go and make away and them thing there, you see it? I said, me gotta call Charlene and tell her separate because it don't look like she actually done not take nothing out of the bag yet or nothing. So I just never really want pull it or something, even though them say to take out there, but I'm gonna tell when Charlene wake up, I'm gonna call her and tell her, say, yo, just put on my planting because I'm coming back. You see it? Yeah. And you can make it how you want it. I always just say you like to make it and planting to look healthy too, Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Push. It's a little bump here. Alright, them people, me go. You reach at some place here, me can tell you no, but me don't know everywhere, alright? Contrary to what some of you people might think, I don't know everywhere. Sometimes I see some comments and people that tell me, say me fi tell them this one, ask me something around in one part and listen to me, I told me born and grow up. You see me? I got enough place still, but we don't know everywhere, alright? So when me know it, I will tell you know it. You see it? Or when know it go. Yeah. We will share it, but I don't know everywhere. Sunday people see coastline there. Yeah. And if you mad from off of the hill enough people, what do you do alive and I mean that show some people it. You see me? Yeah, the view. How they up on the hill there, so I'm go up on the back what you want to call it, balcony or patio or whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So yeah. So we go up on it. We just show them it nice man. So all the morning I like all now, oh my gosh. Is it? Yeah. You live a person, you build a house, you have to, if you can't turn the front of the house to the way, yeah, make sure you put something around the back where you can go look out and something, because, yo, it's nice. We could have went on window now, Turn off the AC. Yeah, people, and even though most of the direction we're supposed to head south, because we are go down back in the town, in the city, but yeah, from time to time, you might get a little glare from the sun, you see it? Yeah, I do apologize about that. But the camera is supposed to filter out more sides still, so it's not supposed to be that bad, but just in case, just bear with it, I saw it thing go. Sun just arise and yeah, sometimes we are going to face it and then something. So I saw it go, alright? Yeah. And by the way, when you click like on the video yet, or when you comment or share the video yet, like want. Alright people, basically reach on the flat you know. Yeah. Okay, so St. Margaret's Bay, cool? Yeah. So we have go left. So take you back down in a Kingston. If we want to go Porty, would have go right. So that would have be when you turn right, that carry go like Boston, Mansion Hill, carry back right round. Them call runs a long day all them place carry back round a St. Thomas side. But as I say, we're heading to town. So this is the direction we're going, alright? Yeah. And people, as I say, the coastline is right there. So you see them railing here on the right side, just a few feet under the seawater. Alright? Yeah. Oh, by the way, it's a Saturday morning now, so we're not supposed to experience a heavy traffic. You know the junction already, every now and then it have the usual surprises, but most time a truck and a Saturday now, so we not expect no bag of delivery truck for our drive up and down. During the week you know that different, but yeah. So basically me I say we expect a smooth little journey going in, alright? Yeah. No one, Mr. Man, over the hill, how him see up there? Yo, sometimes I tell you that we do no people, we don't know how to do it, Yo, people, why you have to record a night video, me that come up here. And yo, some driving me see in the night, me I tell you in the night, me I tell you, some driving, the man them a go uphill round corner and I overtake. Me look side of me a man there on my right side, over here so. And we are go uphill round a corner, we don't know around there. And the man, I mean not talk about say yo the man them a go no slow speed, no nothing, Yeah, me I say Jaja. Yeah, you just have to peel out the yard them money. You see me? And them boy I feel like the road I feel them money and them alone.
Let me take you around Jamaica, through the hills and valleys and mountainside. It's like we're all together going for a ride. Cruising along the coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. And valleys and mountainside, it's like we're all together going for a ride. Cruising along the coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Tossing down Jamaica, through the hills and valleys and mountainside. It's like we're all together going for a ride. Cruising along the coastline, with my windows down and the breeze blow everything off my mind. Ooh. Cruising along the coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind.
Man, I care out in port them people. What the farm life going in the country, man. Alright, so right just now, just a pass a sign here where I say Hope Bay, so that's how they right now, people. See it? Yeah, Hope Bay. The parish of Portland. Alright, and as you know, we are go through St. Mary, go down through Peace of St. Andrew, drop in a, well, I don't think we are going to Kingston. That most part of be St. Andrew. Well, yeah. But you don't know Kingston and St. Andrew thing set up already. You walk 2 steps at St. Andrew, one next 2 steps at Kingston. You don't know that, go on my views for that time. So yeah. And then we are go over in a St. Catherine and yeah. As I say, Spanish town and the place where we stop. So yeah. Make sure you chop a spoon. Make me eat the meat quick, cause we have to touch back the road soon. a little town. What be it? It's a little town. And then I want to be like we are past Bumpy first and then go past RDB. Past RDB first? Oh, yeah. That's a thing, right? And then say past
Life is something now, and I get through the hills and valleys and mountainside. It's like we're all together going for a ride.
yeah. Where's my man in here? What? Gosh. Oh, you can check it out. You find it? You find it? Sorry, wrong thing. Check now. Hmm? No, but can say search for the spot. Alright. Service not really good as so if you now pick up 100, you know, so this network. But I'm gonna do it now. Cross, you want to cross. But no, pass someone said 40. I don't think so. Remember, I don't think so. When I go back at Kingston, you know, like anywhere you go and I go back, it always seems quicker. Yeah. The people, when time when I go, go back where they come from. I want to take trips. I want a plane flight. Once you not go back, it always seems quicker than when they actually just did that go. I don't know why, but always seem quicker. Chucker go down. If you take him time, you know, people. Yeah. Oh, chuck life I saw it go. And then you have that deep corner you have to go around. People, every parish in Jamaica have one of them corner, yeah, them turn. Yeah. Every parish. Me never go through one parish yet. And me not get one of this. This there so. Within a Portland. And well, me don't know if none day in St. Mary. But for a fact one day in St. Andrew. Cause right now so which part Stony Hill there are somewhere near there so. Our temple all close to there so you have one of them deep turn yeah. Alright people, we are cut left for me now. Yeah. Jump on up, just take a look at time and go down the hill, you know? So it's set up. Life of a trucker. And the hill plating in the people. Some section speed limit say 30 kilometers. So you're supposed to know. Oh, by the way, so people them will always ask about the song them, a link, I go pin, take a in the description, right? Then in the description, plus link I go in the comment section, it I go pin up to the top. All you have to do is just click the link, right? I carry it over to the channel, which part the song them there. More time when I post it, I the direct link to the song. So once you click it, it carry directly to the song. So once you click on it, your thing there. Yeah, you're gonna find the song them, alright? And you can just subscribe to the channel as well. In Fusion Music. You can just subscribe to it. So matter of fact, when you go up on the home page at the main channel here, you see all the channel them have, and you can just subscribe to them. But for the songs, click the link. Link is in the description. The link is in the description. And check the top of the comment section. It will pin up there. So it will be the first comment. Alright? And you just go over there, click on the song, click like on the song, and subscribe to the channel as well. And if you want to comment and tell me, say, yo, Portland video I come from, you know, and yeah, just drop your comment, see me. Alright? Much appreciated. Yeah. One thing doing the people, the main road them in a country can look, well, not every country still, that sometimes mobile road them, yeah, but the main road them like, every road for good enough, but, sorry, every road for good enough, but sometimes you go in a country and you buck up on some road and you say, yo, you say if the road at town did ever so nice, you see me? Yeah man. I mean, not lie, man, main road, especially in a Poland, this side here, the road always nice. I don't know the road nice, a long time, you see it? Yeah, man. I think it paved properly, you see me? Yeah. You know when you turn off in some little district though, you know it go. You better have a big van. Yeah. Uh, I could part the bad while ago people, so just, you know? Yeah, I'll fight. Oh, this orange you know? Huh? Oh, okay. Coastline with the pan people. Coastline. Yeah man, what is orange because one time we did come and want to look something out there something. Yeah, orange beer man. We come and want to look a place out there so one time people. What about some some party settings? One little club will come out there so if you know you know. People familiar with out there so we know what they out there so. Well, not this section exactly, but Orange Bay, you know? Yeah, come on, go club one night. And I exercise. I hear people, so why when you see them bag of green sitting here on the bridge and look at orange and red? Politics time right now, election time, so party people them put out there sitting here, you see me? Yeah. So that's why you actually see this. Just in case for folks who are wonder, it's not decoration. No, we didn't just have a festival or a carnival or something. It's it's election time in Jamaica, so each political party is represented by a color. You understand? So that's the reason why. You see it? So them put up, so like them a mark them territory then basically. You get me? People, today is supposed to be a lovely day because the weather is so great. The weather is so great. Like we been have some little joke weather in terms of so the day is supposed to be sunny but it's hazy because according to them there's some dust blowing from Africa. Yeah, so dust are blow from the Saharan desert. Dust is blowing from there come cross over here so that's why we have the little haziness. So the sky you know, look vibrant and even though it might clear, no clouds and stuff, the sky you know, have the vibrant look where it normally would have and thing, is it? But yeah. But up on the coastline here some people, hey, you see when you come in a port and you reach all of them places, you're pretty a fetch. You have enough of them videos there, so I'm going to check them out. And there's a recent one too, so you can check it out, you see? Yeah. Yeah man. But today it don't look like no dust nothing on the boat or whatever, so the sky does, yeah, vibrant and nice, you know? Yeah. Alright, so basically in our vicinity above Bay right now. Yeah, you see me? Yeah, Buff Bay, Portland. Yeah. We're gonna approach the town area soon. One thing with them little town area still in the people, them small, the road them narrow and them small. I guess I know what them built way back then. So yeah. It's the people them back then never envisioned say the place would have been so populated. I don't know. Or as them say, no, a horse and carriage used to run it back then, so yeah. Horse and carriage never need much space to actually do them things, so, you know? Yeah, straight ahead in front of me, I Buff Bay police station. Yeah, so in Jamaica, our police stations are painted in blue and white. Now just past Buff Bay post office, so the parish court on the left. So all of that, good old stuff, you know? Yeah. On time to come on party yes, again too, you know. Yeah. Yeah man, Bridging keep on party. Straight up the road they keep. But the man in the road though, God. Straight up the road they keep. And look at all white. You know thousand big up yourself. Yeah. So see the party colours them here get people. So as I say, it's not a carnival or a festival. It's look like a bus like a town, you know, people. Yeah. Like a little town bus, you know. Bus them run from Port Antonio to Half a Tree in Kingston. Or St. Andrew, however you want to call it. Please, we don't have time for that one day in the comments. Because sometimes some people take me on, you know. In the comment section, you know. Yeah. Because the capital people, there's not about to discuss it. You know already. For me, anyway, in a, when we are at town, at Kingston, if it populated like you know in the urban part, you know the part them with the hustle and bustle and raid them a go on. Me just call that Kingston. If we go up in the hills like how we come from up in the hills, you know when I go cross over from St. Mary, me call them part of St. Andrew. Yeah. You even have South St. Andrew, you know, like jungle and place there St. Andrew, you know, but me call it Kingston. Me never make Kingston, me I call it. Yeah. Can't bother. Me don't know why St. Andrew and Kingston did have issues now back then. Like then he vex with one another, so a man just walk and say, yo, more yes sir. And the man say, alright Kingston, take it. And then St. Andrew take 2 steps and say, oh, me want right sir. And the Queen say, yo, take it. Me don't know it intertwined, so. You see me? And as me said, the scholars, please don't come at me and come tell me, oh, this and that. Kingston, I've had a lot of those lectures in the comment section. People write a book and tell me how to understand it and all of them. So I'm just tell you how me approach it. Alright? Yeah. So you go. But we know we know say it probably makes sense somewhere. But as I say, yeah, so me breathe. Yeah. Enough for that then. Yeah man. But I don't know if that bus are actually at work still or what it do still. You know? Alright brother, round the corner. How you see round there? How you see round there? Where him stop for? What make him stop? Watch a madman. Watch a man. Sometimes I feel like them people are really, when then they go for their license, I feel like they just go and they just give them, no reading, no take place, no tests of you knowing the road code. All them look thing there. I don't think so. And enough of them people, them lack common sense, them lack judgment, everything. And first of all, the unbroken white line means something. Meaning you know if you cross it if you don't have to. Unnecessarily. Don't cross over, don't stay in your lane. That's how the continuous white line, that's how it means. And as I say, uphill round a corner, them are overtake. Me nah get it. And then he might go blow me, he might go blow and to say, yo, me I overtake you. You blow you if tell me just go on. Just do your thing and go. You understand? Yeah. And I don't know where you bring it to my attention for. Say you do madness. Just do your madness and but keep it to yourself. Alright, so let me say Fort Stewart there, up so to my left. I don't know where Fort Stewart. Maybe one day I'm going around this still because probably up in the hills it carry me. I'm always a seed. I don't know. I never even ever hear nobody say them come from Fort Stewart to Portland. You know. You see me? Somebody come about it one time still, you know. Yeah, somebody did actually explain it out and send it to me. But I don't remember. But big of the people them from Fort Stewart, you don't know. Yeah, how much I wanna live around there, cause I don't know if population around there small or wide. I never hear nobody say yo Fort Stewart them come from. You see it? Yeah. So we soon reaching our parish of St. Mary, you know, people, you see me? Yeah man. So cross over the border there, you see it? Once you reach one place named Dover, yeah. Cause Dover is basically on the border, you know. St. Mary and Portland. Then say when you go to Dover and you go up in a hill, you actually go over in a Portland. So Dover go up there start down in a St. Mary, but when you reach up there, you're over in a Portland. And so then says them, I don't know, I never go up there. But yeah, that they say. So big of the people them, they live by the border. Watch a view here. Watch coastline. Well, so we are not to be, so we actually cross over. So I wonder if we did actually cross over with me, I tell you that already. I have never seen the sign. Yeah, because I saw not to be it. Is it? So we in the parish of St. Mary, the people. Yeah. And again, another town again where it's small. The road them narrow in a town. People, worst nightmare, you know, during the week, you know. After you drive through your side in a town, you know. Because you have goods truck, like delivery truck. And him something they park on the side. All sort of things. So it can be a bit congested. You see me? Because you have the whole heap of wholesale them and you don't know the business place them all sort of things. So whole heap of vehicle on two sides. Actually, in the intro of the video, I summarize that somebody there. Where the big truck pass, we let out the smoke. Right after somebody there. Right there, so. So, yeah. But when, as I say in the week, man, vehicle on two sides, you have something I told you, man. Two sides, taxi stop, all sort of things. It can be really congested. This side town and not to be people. Police station up on my right hand side. Yeah. and you have the bus park, taxi stand. All them little thing, everything in a little town here. You see it? Yeah, man. As me say, the road is really narrow. Just I choose it early morning now and you know probably Saturday. Maybe little later I might get a little bit more congested too, you know, but you see me? Yeah. You think them man, trust me. Can be really congested. True, nothing probably not on the road too tough, make it not look like what me I tell you about. Yo, best believe it. Yeah. Alright, Miss Chin. Brisk walking. It's your exercise. Fire station this for my left. Yeah man, so I know now we are going to head to the roundabout. Robert Schumann roundabout. Yeah, we soon reach there, you see it? Yeah. And out there's a whole heap of banana. You see me? Banana tree and them somewhere there. A lot. And party colors. Yeah man, so as I said, this is Robert Schumann roundabout. So if you want to go Ochi, you either go around and take like the second exit of the roundabout. Because you know we are go Kingston side. As I said, we are going down in a town, so we keep left, first exit, carry the way about like Ochi, Montego Bay, you either go around and take the next exit and make your way straight out. You either pass like Rockabessa, Galena, them places in St. Mary, you see me? Yeah. So we know I go down in here, so where you find the junction. Yeah, you know the junction full of windy road and all these things. So that's how we are go. We come on exercise again. Yeah. So yeah man, that's how we are go. To the junction. A lot of persons afraid to drive through the junction, and I guess through the road so windy. Yeah, you know you have the precipice over one side and yeah, you see only for people afraid of it. But you know bad, like you in a junction too, you're not even supposed to have like trucks, so certain size truck no drive through the junction. Sometimes you go around there, you buck up some big trucks still enough. Where not really authorized to drive through it, sometimes you buck up some of them in round there, you know, but you know really, you see me? So you know that bad. So I know like you know say you go like Spur Tree or Mount Tree and you buck up some big trailer. Yeah. You're not gonna see that, or you're not supposed to see that, because through the corner windy, you're not gonna have enough space to drive them places, so they're not authorized to drive through them. Although me I tell you one night me I come through there, you know, people, and I book up one brother. Yo, the man a drive a flatbed trailer, and the man a draw something from the flatbed. He actually have something from that. I can't remember if it's a tractor or something him up on it, like a backhoe or something. I remember how him up on it. But yeah, that the man a draw through there, I tell you, when me buck him up, see them almost exited. I go St. Andrew side, me that go down. I almost exit. And I said, Jaja. But it was hours doing that, man. Like it was like after 2, after 3, somewhere there about it was. That was the time frame. So, you know, no portion of people never up on the road or something. So I guess that's why I'm going through there, you see it? But by right, you're not supposed to do it still. But yeah, man, I say, you know, I'm afraid of the junction still, the people. Like, what you can do, just take a little time. All the people in back here have to do is just wait. You can't wait to overtake you when they can. But you just take a little time when you go through and you're good to go. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, man. And as you know, in a junction, you have rest stop and them things. So like place where people sell food and you know you can stop and get a little soup, a little jerk this, jerk that. Yeah, you know the thing them already when you have a country you stop and get it in a Jamaica, you see it? Yeah man, you always have a little spot. You know every little parish have a little spot like that. Some more popular than some still, you see me? Yeah. So that area you know named Broadgate in a St. Mary. Alright, I don't know how they call it Broadgate. Everybody gate must be broad. You see it? Yeah man. Hey, and people, this how the place get dark because you know you drive between the hills them. Yeah. So the place get, you see me? Yeah man, the place get dark man. From right hand side you have a river over there, you know. Yeah. Sometimes when it a rain like the river get you see me? Yeah, when the river come down, yeah. And sometimes it brown because I guess the rain a come from up in the hills and things. So you see, that run down. But yeah man, when I drive through the junction man, most times when I come to Portland, most time when I reach through here so it a rain. Like when I'm coming. So later on down in the day, you see me? Yeah. When I come through and rain and it dark and yeah, you see me? But I guess that's because of the hills, you know? The whole, yeah, all the terrain set up and vegetation and all of that. You know, like it in our rainforest. Yeah. Big truck there, you know? Bread truck it look like. So yeah people, so them truck there, I think them truck they allowed, but like the big trailer them and some other bigger size truck. Me not sure the exact ton like the weight where enough to come through. Me not quite remember, but yeah, I think like them delivery truck they are supposed to be the biggest size. Like them bread truck there where we have out there, biscuit truck. I think them they supposed to be like the biggest size truck where come. But me don't remember the weight. So them they supposed to see. People are wait for a vehicle so either taxi or bus, you know? Yeah. Dog a chase car. People just see how the road windy. Yeah. Put all them fruits. Easy fruits, man. One second, the people. Passenger one bathroom stop.
Let me take you around Jamaica, through the hills and valleys and mountainside. It's like we're all together going for a ride. Cruising along the coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Mountainside, it's like we're all together going for a ride. Cruising along the coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Going for a ride, cruising along the coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Down. Cruising along the coastline, with the windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Around Jamaica, through the hills us around Jamaica, through the hills and valleys and mountainside. It's like we're all together going for a ride. Cruising along the coastline with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Ooh.
Huh? Oh. Yeah, man, them little spot here you can get some little, you know, some little food. Yeah, it's a little fruit stall, yeah. Yeah, man. In the early morning, not everywhere open, you know, but you see me, in the early morning, you know, you get a little pep up. You see me? Yeah. So as me say, enough people afraid for drive through here, so cause oh, as you can see, like over the right hand side, a precipice over there. Meaning we the up high and the level of the ground the way down there so. Now all like that way down still. Some part not really far, but the funny thing is we are worried to say how afraid for drive through here so. But yet still yeah, people live over there. Most of the time over there, so from right hand side, you know, when they look good, a whole stop over there, you know. Yeah, whole stop, people live down there. So, what you think? Eh? And they live down there and they're quite comfortable, they live down there for generation. And when you check your family, then granny did live down there. Then their mother, then them born, and then they have picnic down there. All sort of sitting. And then I think put on an indicator, nothing say my top. But yeah, people. Huh? Who? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, people, so. People them live down there. I mean, say everybody down there. But me know, me born and sister I down there, so me live. As me get big, me move out. Yeah. And I stay down there, so. I live down in them place where your blood pressure must high. Yeah, I say I got you better than be a vehicle you hear every minute. You must be mad. Me nah live there. As me get big, so me I move out. As me say people, if the glare from the sun affect the video, just bear with it a little bit, alright? Yeah. All of them stop vehicle. Suppose the Castleton police them yeah. See station yeah. Yeah, on my left side. Yeah. Castleton Gardens on the right side there's some people. It's a botanical garden. A lot of persons go over there. I think them have a little river run through over there too. What? JUTC bus? A trip them a go for an hour. Where the bus here come from? Yeah, people, we supposed to stay in a St. Andrew, you know, in a people, yeah. Yeah, man, we supposed to in a parish of St. Andrew, you know, in the hills, you know. Yeah. Ask me your bad name exactly, I don't know, but we know in a parish of St. Andrew. Alright? Yeah. Bus leaning, man. Jaman, yo. What road at Jamaica, you know? Yeah, man, we need road, man. All them road up in them hillside, yeah. Them big unit, yeah. Oh, wow. I don't think the bus is a route bus, you know, but I know still. But I don't think it's a route. I'm not sure though. Because they have some new bus where they say they might put all sorts of places, you know, so I really don't know. So I don't know if a bus route or if a charter, them people charter it and I go somewhere. You know, like excursion or something. I'm not sure. But this is none of the newer bus them still in a people. This a bus here on a long time one them. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Go on. Since you can't see around there, go on. So it look like a route car, like a stop and pick up people, you see me? Yeah. I got that go on. Ask me what route is this, I don't know. It's Kingston to St. Mary. Is it? Oh, okay. And people, bus are not sitting up. But the business are come down half a hill here, you know, man. Oh, yeah. Hmm? Mm-hmm. True, man. So I probably go Castleton, you know, people. Maybe I just say go, you know. I don't know, I just assume, because can't see this are going further than this. So. But you might never know. Maybe having the media what they are still. And I say, well, where the bus go, where the bus them go, you know. Yeah. By the way, people, you saw Templars, see? Yeah. So, basically, you can say civilization. Not really to the fullest, but yeah. I know really when we catch up a Constant Spring side, this and I come down now, you know, say, yeah, this is the real deal. You say, alright, you ain't done. Oh, yeah. That's not bad. You come from country and you reach a temple, you say, you can say, alright. Still have a little driving to do, you know, but you can say, alright, yeah. Oh, probably. Yeah. And they look like if they want the bus. Too long to drink your tea, brother. Jamaica, they say foot short. But a coaster come down still, so we get it. We get some real quick. Oh, lady, I look like she want the bus too. We don't have fun on the bus. Why do you look and I wonder about the bus? As I say, I guess the route new, you know, so, you know, people are used to see bus around there, the big bus here. And I'll do them on a Saturday, you know, I expect to see bus them. If on a regular route, they don't even get bus. They don't even get bus during the week, but much less Saturday. You see me? Yeah. It's a good look still. So next bus I come up here. See where that one I go. Temple all that one I go. Okay. Alright, that's what I feel I saw Golden Spring or what, you know, people. I don't remember, but yeah. And them vicinity they were there, you know. Big up a driver there a while ago still. And a driver use up him man and one bag of thing, you know. And the man not sit come down and fire hill, you know, but yeah. Man do him thing. Spot check. Nice there, squatty there. As me I telling the people say yeah, you catch Temple all but still have a little driving. I'm say this are like, you know, closest thing. The way you can say civilization. No disrespect to people in my country, you know, but you know when you drive through some part in a country area where it's lonely. People live there, you know, but sometimes some of them did community they up in the hill, we run on one part, so like it's lonely. You see me? So that me really mean still. So I'm not talk about no, yeah, you know, like on a less off than nobody, I know that me mean. You see me, but as me say here, when you catch them plan and for go down now, still have a little driving for do it. That's so yes I must stone hill. Yeah, I think yes I must stone hill. I might be wrong still, I'm not sure. So every people. People have a big billboard and all these things. Election time as me telling you people, is it? Yeah. Alright people, so I think this is one of the next corner the moment I tell you about say every parish have one of them turn here. Me never seen none to St. Mary where me a come from, but maybe there one different side of St. Mary still. You see me? But remember we have one this Poland who take a while ago and then that one here. You have one in a St. Ann, in a St. Catherine I mean when you go up Mount Rasa. You see me? And here you have one in a St. Ann because people them come from St. Ann and we know this too. So me I tell you, whether they are nuts, go deal. So if you're there this far in the video, you know, just remember to click the like button if you don't do it yet, you know. You see me? Yeah. I think gonna stop like road and some people. Yeah. When we just start to come to Portland, you know, we used to shoot out the road there, you know. Yeah, we used to shoot out the road there. Obviously you find Villerenai and you know, places like that. But I think there's a whole Stone Hill Road or something like so. Remember one time I go to Portland and I shoot go up the road and good drive after me realize it was a morning too, you know, early morning. A good drive after me realize say yo, good little time after me realize say yo, me take the wrong road, you know. See a brother I shoot out in the morning there, you know. As me say I did the early morning. Up I be a father and him somebody, the sun mustn't even come out there so. And I ask the man say yo, you can take your saga to Portland. Man say Papa better you turn back. Think him say me can take it still, you know, but him say yo I better me turn back, you see it? Yeah. Right now people with their constant spring. Me take the left here so. The left here is supposed to Narbrook drive or Narbrook, yeah, you carry me go to Narbrook, you see it? Uptown, rich people place, you see me? So yeah, with their constant spring. Yeah, sites. Yeah. So yeah, when people the man said to me say yo better me turn back. So you know who have to itch a reverse and turn back. Yeah man, those streets still, you see it? One of them thing there. Yeah, people, so they in town area. Yeah, I'm up in the cool hills. I'm Mount Pleasant. To down in a hot town, yeah, Kingston, St. Andrew, wherever you want to call it. Yeah, that's over there. Bike man broke his stoplight. People actually want to go round actually want to go round as well. Like the parade. Right, people, copyright. I'm going up a window a little bit and turn on the AC. Copyright people, judge I know. Yeah, people, but then I wrong there. I not even realize it so fast because as I say, we have a Spanish town. Them in a sense, we go down and down here, been down there, so. Now the time I just take it through, I say, is it? Might as well, you see me? So, yeah. Hey, peace out the taxi, man, alright. Yeah, people, this was a bad drive. But you know it go already. Yeah. So, why not back the window? That's the sound, music, the copyright, you know? So this is actually drop you out from Washington Boulevard same way. So yeah. People create look at disturbance so I look up on the road because one Honda did the back of me. Honda car and the machine. Man nuts are coming up but you me slow down now up on me indicator like me see him swerve 2 times like him and say shit. I wonder if the boy I gonna come over. But nah, come over some for him man. I'm looking at my mirror man and I did that in the next vehicle he did behind me today so. But I wouldn't do that man. You see it? Have to watch the road. Alright, so I made the right turn down here some people. Yeah. You have a brush? Will I bring a brush for you? Alright people, so we can wind up back the window them and the vehicle car. Yeah, we're up on Washington Boulevard and we go way out, you know, you see it? Only backyard. Easy down on the road because sometimes police are always out there. I mean, I really about the GPS to see police they are going there. But the police them love you, so it's through the road sweet, so you know, just a nuts are come and them just want to clock you. I don't remember how much I speed in on the road there. I'm only for 50. If I drive my car still people would have up the GPS, would have know what I go on. Would have know the speed limit and would have know the police down there and something, but you know car want some parts and want some servicing and everything there, so yeah. Yeah, people, so they are intersection of Mullines Road and Washington Boulevard. So from the left side we have Jerusalem. From the right side you have Marvally. You see me? So yeah. You know Jerusalem in place, eh? Sometimes people call it a Waterhouse. People always make reference to the two of them. But Jerusalem supposed to be separated from Waterhouse. They're supposed to be two different places. You see me? Yeah. Watch a road there. You are not come now, watch it. One big old hole. Yo, we have to do better still, you know. Oh, whoa. We have to do better, people. Nah, lie to you. Have to do better. I got a thing from the lady, but go over and come back and collect it from her. Don't have to jump here. So that road name again, I never mix up that road there. I never mix up with Seaward Drive and Radius. That road there, oh, what that road name again? This a Seaward Drive? I try remember. But I ever mix up that road there with Seaward Drive and the next road, two road, I ever mix them up. Can't remember what that road name. Start with W. Weymouth Drive this. Weymouth Drive this. Yeah, so this supposed to be Weymouth Drive. Seaward Drive around so. Seaward Drive are supposed to half more lines. That's all I remember. I never mix them up more while. Weymouth and Seaward Drive, I never mix them up. I don't know quarry. I don't water this scenario. Till us sometime, you know, man. There's a fear look when you drive back the road there, you know, cars. Trust me. Oh, so that come, that probably come to the social go pick up. Think so, you flying? Oh, we know. So where she there? Oh, so she not can go back pick up feedback later. It can come for a flight today. Monday? Oh, because the British no fly for a weekend, no? Ha ha! Just remember, yeah, British no fly to madness that, you know? British no fly till for a weekend. Them should send me for a plane and movie and get a transportation card come and in from there. And that them should do. Should send it for a flight and movie. Cause you have the plane them Virgin and them plane they come and movie every day I think. Them should send it. Come movie and send it come up for something. Madness this. And you know me have every month that thing mash up the inconvenience my whole weekend. You have to pay me for that. You have to refund all the ticket. But we just come down for yeah, people, so how much you just in a visiting a Spanish town? As you know, we're in a St. Catherine, you know. We're in a St. Catherine, and so we reach a Spanish town. So first you drive in a wrong lane, you know. Wrong lane, then this a van man, yeah. And you have an indicator. Country they come from. Wrong lane, you hold up traffic, you do everything wrong. Indicator blink, say you turn over this so long and sort of madness. Yeah, so you saw white man. Some people that call it Spanish town still in a people. You see me? Yeah. Because you have Chinatown over there, so Sufferers Heights, Winter Heights, as in, you know the proper name. You have Central Village, basically, in a vicinity right now, so yeah, Spanish Town reach. So big up yourself if you did that journey with me from way up in the hills, you know? Yeah, we made it! People say the road is a funny road, you have to look out for pedestrian, you know. People just run across this road, they walk across it, that sort of thing. Yeah. You just have to look out for them when you drive on this stretch. Whether night or day. Night even worse. drive through road, so take the bypass. So big truck, yeah. I don't want this. Here? Yeah, people, so basically I approach the town as Spanish town, and the video basically I gonna come to an end right off here, so you know. And as I say, I'll big up all of the people for journey with me from up in the hills to right just so now. Big up yourself, you see me? Enough love and respect. If you actually do that, then that means you shouldn't click like on the video. So just do that for me now, please. Click like on the video. Also consider more to subscribe to the channel if you are not a subscriber, alright? We're up our way at 10,000 subscribers, you see me? Yeah. We're probably about I don't know, we're a little ways out. So yeah. So just do that for me now, please and thanks. And bless upon yourself in my people who don't know the things set in the manners and respect. I saw the video come to a closing, so big up, see? Little more my people. Later, I'm out.
Oh, yeah. Homie, for the ya jam long and bored, yeah. 876 by birth, a time fi touch the road. Me just fully tank and me ready fi touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I coulda not or so. Thankful to the brim and me ready fi touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I coulda not or so. Me feel a little river vibe somewhere nice and calm.